In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your calf muscle whilst leaning against the wall. So the first thing that I want you to do is with the leg that you're going to stretch, it's going to be behind your body, and the leg that you don't want to stretch is going to be nice and close to the wall. So I'm going to have this position. I've got my arms here completely in line with my shoulders, and from this position, my foot is touching the wall that I'm using here. What I'm now going to do is make sure that my back leg is pointing forwards. And then from this position, I'm now going to come forwards through my left knee. So I'm stretching out my right side here. My left knee comes forwards towards the wall, and you'll start to then feel the stretch, hopefully, through the back of your leg into your right calf, or my right calf in this example. Once I've got the stretch, I'm going to hold that for my desired amount of seconds, and you can do this for your desired amount of repetitions or sets as well. Next side is exactly the same process. So I've just swapped the position of the legs and feet, and then from here, this time, I'm going to come forwards through my right knee, and as I drop down through my right knee, I start to feel the contraction through my calf muscle on my left-hand side. And that is how to do a calf stretch up against the wall, and repeat for your desired amount of repetitions and sets.